Hey, you may be loving the Super Grip No Slip Flexi Sport, which is the best hair clip for working out, gardening, or anytime you don't want your hair to slip. But you might be one of the 10% of people whose hair is a little bit too thick for the medium-size Flexi Sport. Hi, my name is Paula, and today I'm going to introduce to you the brand new size that Lilla Rose has just come out with, and it is the Flexi X. As you can see, it is larger than the first version of the Flexi Sport, and it holds 30% more hair, which is awesome for us thick-haired gals. All right, the traditional medium-sized Flexi Sport can fit all my hair in a pony, but it is tight, and I cannot do a bun unless I just secure the top of it. But the Flexi X will fit all of my hair up in a twist or bun or top knot. So I was super excited when this came out. So as you can see, I've got it in a ponytail. It holds all my hair. I could go jogging or anything with that. Swimming, it's waterproof. Gardening, when you get it dirty, because you can just rinse it off. It is super easy to take in and take out. As you can see, you just do it with one hand, you pull it out, and your hair is out. So there's 3 notches on each side of the pin. And the great thing about the Flexi Sport is that it's a type of flip, which means this pin flips around. If you have really thick hair, you'll want it this way. Okay, so that will hold a lot of hair right in there, and the tension holds it super tight so it will not slip when you're jogging, exercising, whatever. Okay, now if you have a little bit, not quite that thick of hair, you just flip it around. Okay, so now that pin makes it a little tighter in there. So now when you secure it, it's tighter. Okay, right there. So depending on the thickness and style of your hair will depend if you like it this way or flipped around this way. Okay, I can wear it both ways in my ponytail, and I'll show you how to put it in. You just take all your hair, take the pin, go under, wrap the top around, put the pin through the loop right there. It's super easy. And it doesn't budge, and that's on the loosest setting, it won't budge. So not only does it hold my ponytail, but it'll hold my French twist. And I'll show you how to do that. So you just gather all of your hair, twist it up, tuck it in, take the pin of your sport, go along your scalp, out the other side, and you hook it on the other end. As you can see, that's not budging no matter how heavy your hair is. Again, one hand, take it out. Now this last style I wanted to show you is what I got really excited about this sport about, is a way to wear your hair comfortably at night. If you have long hair at night and you tend to pull on it and it gets tangled, you need a way to keep it out of your way while you're sleeping, but it's hard to do that comfortably. With the Flexi X Sport, now if you have thinner hair and can wear the regular Sport, you can do this as well. So let me show you how I love to wear my hair to sleep in at night to protect it, keep it from getting tangled and breaking. I learned this from my friend Cindy, who has an awesome TikTok channel. Okay, so you just gather all your hair up to the top of your head. Now Cindy just flips over and does it. So you can flip over upside down and do it, or just gather your hair at the top of your head into a pony, okay? Then you just bend it down. You fold it down like that. Top, fold down, okay? Then you take your sport, put the pin on the back, wrap the rubbery bendy part around the front, and then you secure it right there. And then you have like a loose, comfortable, but secure top knot on the top of your head that doesn't get in the way when you're sleeping. And it will protect it. It'll also help hold in any curls or style you have in your hair. It is great. It is a great way to sleep. It'll protect your hair. So I definitely recommend trying this next time you go to sleep. And again, if your hair is not this thick and you don't need all that, you can do this probably with just the medium size sport. But if you have extra thick hair like I do, then you are going to love this. So let me know in the comments below if you're one of the 10% of people who need the new X Sport. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.